Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export Google Slides to a video. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So the first thing that we're going to do is add a new presentation. You can either start a blank presentation or you can choose from these templates. So we're going to click on blank. And then, as you can see, guys, we added a new presentation. You can click to add a title. For example, I'm going to name it tutorial. And then if you come right here, you can add a new slide or click on Ctrl+M on your keyboard. So in order to make your presentation a video, you need to go right here. Next to tools, you're going to find extensions. Click on it and then hover your mouse over add-ons. And then you're going to find get add-ons. Once you click on Get Add-ons, you will be directed to this menu, which is Google Workspace Marketplace. You can go to this search bar and then search for Creator Studio. And then you're going to find a lot of tools. So we're going to click on this one, the first one, and then install it. Click on Install. Wait, and then choose your account or log into your account. Then just go ahead and click on allow to give it some permissions. Click on done. And then if you want to make your presentation a video, click again on extension, hover your mouse over created studio. Right here, you're going to find create GIF, create video, and create a slidecast. So just click on create video. And as you can see guys, now it's exporting to a video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.